Don't move. Don't move.
Don't move, okay? There you go.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, God, son of a biscuit eater, that hurt! Ah! That didn't hurt! I love that!
Did you do it?
Oh, that felt so good! Can you do it again? I love that! That felt so good!
Ready?
Oh, shuck nugget! That hurt so bad! Oh my God! Wait!
No, just keep looking at mommy. Or just, you're fine.
Oh!
Yeah.
It doesn't even hurt.
How does that hurt?
Don't talk to me. Don't talk.
All done.
You did it!
You're done! You did it! Look at this! Look at this!
You did it! That was scary and so freaky!
It's over.
I literally just got my ears pierced.
Yes.
I'm serious. Right now.
Right.
I got my ears pierced.
Yeah,
Are you kidding me?
Are you okay?
Yes, but oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh.
All done. All done. All done.
I like it.
Fun earrings. Still alive?
Yes.
I got that on video. On the count of 3, I'm gonna go, alright? Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
You're supposed to tell me when you hit me. Oh God.
Lisa, you messed it up! No!
Wow.
Perfect. 1, 2, 3.
Let me know when you're ready, okay?
Okay. That's it. That's all it is. That's all it is, bruh.
That's it, sweetheart. They're in. Done. You're done. Breathe. You did it. All right. It's okay. It's so fast. You're okay. Now it did.
No, it didn't.
You told you it was gonna hurt.
No, it didn't. Whatever.